guys, welcome back to my channel. Adiatu here, Naturallyads on YouTube. So in today's video, I'm planning for the week beginning May 3rd to the 9th using this Botanical kit from PaperChicPlans. This kit is in a glossy foil. I am pairing it with some sparkly hollow foil from SBC and also some sparkly hollow underlay boxes from Caress Press. I brought in some extra glitter headers from Strawberry Lime Designs because I never buy the glitter headers with PaperChicPlans kits because I usually have ones that match. So if you haven't already, make sure you subscribe to my channel before you leave and turn on the bell to be notified every single time I upload. And as usual, I'm going to let you guys watch me load down my base and I'll be back for the day by day. Enjoy! Okay, so I don't think I'm going to mention the boxes I use, and like I have been doing, and just mention the stickers. So first I marked my day off, so I used the sticker from Stuck on Your Designs of A Girl Like in Bed, and a day of script from Scribble Prints Co. to note that it was the start of my half term. I then used a also paper tired girl to note that I slept in. I then used a plan with play button and a YouTube binge sticker from Planner Hannah to note a YouTube binge. I then used a stick with a plan code plan with me sticker to note filming a plan with me. I then used a Mixie Cat stuffed girl with cat with stickers and a pull sticker script from Bella Pen Ella to note pulling my stickers. I then used a laptop icon from the kit and observation script from Bella Pen Ella to note having observation. And I then used this icon. It might be a TV icon. I can't see it because I don't have my plan. I just have a picture to note watching Temptation Island. Let's see if it comes up, if I'll be able to see it. Is it TV? Yeah, it was a TV. Okay, on to Tuesday, I used a alarm clock icon to note I was really sleepy. I then used a Mixie Cat stuffed petrol sticker to note getting petrol. I then used a YouTube play button sticker from the foil bundle and a Plan With Me binge script from Bella Plan Ella to note a Plan With Me binge. Then used a teacher sticker from Stuck in You Designs to note work. So I think Monday was a day off because it's bank holiday or something like that. I don't remember. Yeah, something like that. Then I used a Stuck on You Creations girl again with like a stack of papers to note it was a busy day at work. I then used a car sticker and a traffic script from Randy.plans to note traffic. The car icon is from the foil bundle. I then used, I can't even see what that is, a ice cream sticker from a foil bundle to note getting creams. Oh, I don't know where that's from. Then used this thrown away burger sticker from Stuck on Your Designs to note that I was really full and I was like, I have been too much. I used the same teacher sticker to note work. The work script I used this time was from Ice Cream Joe, I believe. I then used like a laying flat on their back sticker from Stuck in Your Designs and an In My Feelings script from SPC to note being in my feelings. I used another play button sticker and a Plan With Me binge script to note a Plan With Me binge. I then used a stick with a plan code FaceTime sticker to note my observation. The observation script is from Bella Pan Ella, of course. Then used a GP Studio Zoom icon and a script from Bella Pan Ella to note my lecture. And then use a Mixie Cat stuff Zoom sticker to note another words are so hard, oh my gosh, to note another lecture. And then use this bowl sticker from, I remember where they're from the Pink Diamond Botanical foil bundle. This one is in the green foil because I was using Sparkly Hollow and green in this kit to note that I had some great food. I then used a Stuck in You Creations Netflix sticker to note that we were watching The Circle. You can see a lot of Stuck in You Creations stickers in this spread because this was like straight after I got my order and I was like, yes, I love all of these stickers, I'm going to use all of them. Moving on to Thursday. So on Thursday, first thing I used was Coffee Monsters Co. Sticker with like a pillow to note I had some cramp. Then used a YouTube play button sticker from Planner Hannah to note a Plan With Me binge. And then used a heart sticker from The Wiggle to note I was in my feelings. That script from SBC. And I then marked the same. I then marked work the same. I then used a grocery bag from Sweet Quiet Design and a grocery run script from The Wiggle. I then used a GP Studio tea girl to note having lots of, that I made some hot chocolate at school. And then used a planner sticker from the kit and a planning time script from the Wiggle to note planning time. I haven't done a voiceover in a bit, so bear with me. On to Friday, I used the same layout to mark work. I then used the Stick with the Plan Code Girl to note I was really tired. I then used a icon from the Pink Diamond Planico Wiggle to note playing outside, but I don't know what the icon is. I think it's a running icon to note playing outside. Then I use a car icon from the green foil bundle from Pink Diamond Planico and a traffic script from Radial Plans to note traffic. I then use a chicken from the foil bundle to note having Nando's. I then use a couple sticker from the Whimsical Cat Studio to note watching Temptation Island. I then use the credit card sticker from the kit to note sticker shopping. On to Saturday, I used a Whimsical Cat Studio couple sticker and a sleeping script from SPC. Words are so hard, oh my goodness. To note sleeping in. I then used another one of those Netflix Girl from Stuck on You Designs to note that I was watching Shadow and Bone. I then used a play button sticker from the kit and a Plan With Me binge script to note Plan With Me binge. I then used a camera icon from the Wiggle and an edit script from Bun Paper Code to note editing pictures. I then used this grocery bag sticker and a grocery run script from the Wiggle and this arrow from Bella Pan Ella to note a grocery run. I then used this couple sticker from Fox and Pip to note fun planning of my husband gaming and me fun planning in bed. Moving on to Sunday, at the top I use this alarm clock sticker from Stick With a Plan Code to note that I woke up early. I then use a TV icon and a Plan With Me binge script to note that I was having some more Plan With Me binges, which is normal. I then used this mailer sticker from the kit and a Happy Mail script from House of Stickers UK. I then used this Happy Mail bundle from the kit and a film haul script from Radial Plans to note film in a haul. I then used this burger sticker from the Wiggle to note having bins. I then used a TV icon from the foil bundle to note watching Temptation Island again. And then I used this Stuck in You Designs Girl Crying and In My Feelings script from Sugary Girl Shop and an arrow from Bella Panella to note being in my feelings. I did that really fast, so sorry about that. So I have extra time, but yeah, so the header overlays I used are from Rose Colour Days, the leaf ones, and then I used the sparkly hollow vinyl stickers from the Grumpy Tortoise. And then the other overlays are from SPC. I decided to match sparkly hollow with this kit and some green foil, just because it was like, you know, botanical vibes, and it was like meant to be like earthy and greenery, but it had some pink on it. I think I was supposed to use a lavender hollow, but I ran out of a lavender hollow. No, I think I used the lavender. No, I lost the lavender hollow Wiggle. I had to use this, and then I found the lavender hollow Wiggle, but it was too late, so I used sparkly hollow instead. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Be sure to give me a thumbs up if you liked it, and let me know what you thought of this plan with me, and I shall see you in the next video. I'm going to show you guys a Wiggle and flip through what is left from the kit. I don't know if I mentioned it already. This kit is from, well, I know I did. It's from PaperChicPlans, and it isn't glossy. But yeah, I'll see you in the next video.